Next process natin, we call this the isometric or pwede ring isochoric or pwedeng isovolumic process. Pero mas kilala siya as isometric process. So, definition is, it is an internally reversible constant volume process. So, sabi nga isovolumic, so constant volume yan. So, punta tayo na agad sa first formula, PVT relation. At constant volume, okay, may iwan ng pressure and temperature. So, mag-a-arrive tayo sa Gay-Lussac's law or the modified charges. Then, we have the PV and TS diagram. Sa PV diagram, constant volume, kaya vertical yan. Okay, so kung meron tayong pataas na direction, sa TS diagram natin, pataas din yan. Okay, kaya lang nakakurba naman siya. Okay, for the work non-flow, ganun pa rin ang formula. General formula is integral of PdV. Since constant volume tayo, so change in volume is 0. So we have work non-flow equal to 0. Then, ang steady flow naman natin, yun pa rin naman ang formula. Okay? Since constant volume yan, pwede natin ilabas ang constant volume. And since may negative sign tayo, ang mangyayari sa work ng steady flow natin is volume P1 minus P2. Okay, hindi P2 minus P1 ha. Dahil meron tayong negative sign dito, na-introduce yung negative, kaya nagbaliktad sila. P1 minus P2 na. Other formulas, we have change in internal energy, ganun pa rin. MCV delta T. Change in enthalpy, ganun pa rin. MCP delta T. Heat transfer natin, ito na nga yung sinasabi natin. Ang heat is MCV delta T. Take note, constant volume, kaya CV. Then for the change in entropy, MCV ln T2T1. Okay, constant volume, so that's why CV ang gagamitin. Tandaan nyo na, constant volume, so itong dalawa ay parehas, CV. Problem for isometric. An amount of 1.63 pound of gas is contained in a tank, the volume of which is 2 cubic feet. If the internal energy is decreases by 27.4 BTU as temperature changes from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Compute the specific heat at constant volume conditions. Ang given natin is the mass, 1.63 pounds. Then we have the volume 2 cubic feet. Change in internal energy, negative 27.4 BTU. Okay, bakit siya negative? Kasi sinabi sa problem, decreases. Yan ha. Temperature 1, 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature 2, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Ang tanong, ano ang specific heat at constant volume? Okay, so for our formula, ang specific heat natin at constant volume sa mga formula natin, tatlo yung pwede natin pagkuhanan. Okay, for isometry. Kaya lang, based on the given, ang meron lang tayo is change in internal energy. So, doon natin yung kukunin. So, we have this formula. Okay, wala na tayong kulang pa. Substitute lang natin. Okay, so hindi ko na rin lalagay yung mga unit. Kasi yung unit naman is consistent. You have BTU, pounds, and feet. So, lalabas ang specific heat natin, 0.1681 BTU per pound mass, degree Rankine. So, yan na yung answer natin.